Munim say media mete asemo. Yes, I speak with my instinct as well, but most of the times me better na ha say na me de my instinct kasa later it turns out to be true. Assemble ne yeka endra eye demon breaker ekotena na 2 na wo kasa efa nsofo ho wo kasa fa nsofo ho e na host no a ye friend no eye Justice Kwekwanan a ye ni na ye nim se nansen Magraheb etre se host no wa bon a ye ni ayeji 2 mu no Justice Kwekwanan ebie na no a wo bisa demon breaker se na wate osofo prophet beduko bidinda ono nso den na wo ka efa ne ho eho na demon breaker shaase ani beduko bi no mu na mo friend prophet me de wonya prophet mamio me de wonya prophet o na beduko bi no mu de mu mbisa no ena ne ba na wo wuye no ena mu mbisa ne se yekosie ne ba no ena wode ne ba ne efunu no wokoyi ko share ye trese ensem huhuran ena demon breaker walker se beduko bi trese wo person trese beduko bi esanso kotu ne ba no bebi a okosie ne ba no beduko bi sanso kotu no ahomache e de ne koye rituals trese ensem huhuran bi na demon breaker walker. And you get people believing this demon breaker. I understand. Say mumu bebre mu pe beduko bi asem, but she Ghana yensu sun say nipa din wate. Yensu sun say nipa din. You just go and sit on TV and say damning things about people without showing any evidence. Demon breaker yi wade na no sa na account. And they should dare me in your man me ye piano. Meanwhile, who beduko bi krano, who mben, who nimno. Oko who wa here home at se wokotu ne ba. Adaya, ye nim. Adena Ghana, Adena Ghana Nkrofu Chantrosa. Yes, outrightly I'll say intro because you've not provided evidence. As a Ghana, yes, so in Sembisu Manabedane in Semwa, Nasanya ye nyama bi wa Ghana has in enye. Abrantie demon breaker sha se wo kasa efa nsofo ho na nyende. As far as I remember, this is the 3rd time our betina TV so can damning things about pastors. This is the 3rd time. Maybe name no one show picture ba ko kra interest okay osofo yi na menene na nenam picture interest minim no anana me ben eni one show ye kra. Aden no man Ghana yetisa. Aden na Ghana yetisa. And you get people believing this demon breaker. Mi bofu. And it is not like ebi abeduko bi yeme sofo. Beduko bi nankasa wakoye nyama Kennedy Japan be expose no. I came out to talk. Say the beduko bi ye no Ghana Revenue Authority for akwache na tra say wanya de. You guys heard me. I talked about beduko bi. But mesremo yes, any pedian, yensusu wate. The aya me ya ewo wiase mo ne say Ghana wo biba ewu ya na tre say ye de hye san ni pakro ne kon sa de na ya ya papa Ghana ha say wo bi wo a tre say ehwa ne ye hwehwe obi de ewo na hye ne kon oya prophet inti ene oya prophet inti oya prophet inti sebe eni kwan se ne bawu eni kwan se ne bawu ena we a prophet una hu se nkrofo wu obabewu no ena we hu ena den obeka tell se ne nyame yi trend se ne babewu ana ne bawu aden na Ghana yetisa. If you listen to those who were close to Beduko bi embra ne ba ne wu ye, especially Councillor Lutrota, you see how they suffered. Senya sika omo hwe sika aside sika kra a womo eye no edura womo toye how na Beduko bi sleepless night on ne yere embra womo ba ne wu ye. Wo de mun ko tie Councillor Lutrota no kan tram ono Councillor Lutrota ne kra a wo ye Beduko bi adam for kra no, even him he couldn't sleep. They be anu won am hospital ho say ya no mo bia bre ne ba ho sei na ne ba ne wu a na all sorts of allegation here they share no say ane ono na weku ne adan na Ghana for yesuban adan ne etisa. Why are we like that? Adan ne etisa. Just say will be what near pay will be the owner and the con. Na me dem aka o man we mu he uye sikeni eni kwan se wo mami wu uye sikeni eni kwan se wo papa wu uye sikeni eni kwan se wo ba wu uye sikeni wo man we mu a eni kwan se wo yiri wu he so uye sikeni wo man we mu na wo bia wo ben wo ewu a wewu senia enkrofo betwe wo no wo de na akọji Ghana has say, and you guys know that is the truth. On my your team say na ete osikeni bibi wu oh massa forget it yet the bet trash osikeni no ne consisia ni ono ni wofana wo scan no ono na waye ni wofana ena wono kwa ni mami ewu ena ono kwa ni we ewu na musion kan na ebia unye sikeni na ubi wu ya during that time no na wa baba benyeska ebi adwuma bi abebom ama na wa baba benyeska wo ye den ye de be sha okon se nipa kono na ode na age. That is how we are as people. You who say will be cause na eya then we try to find other means and ways near the just say aden ye tisa spoiling people's name just like that. You see what I am saying no I am not saying say the demon breaker war cano ebia into me wo musao. We hear of stories of people sanyaman wo moye because they come out themselves and confess. As someone demon breaker share say wo kan fan so for hono prove ben or the aba just because he's speaking loud people are believing him. People are believing him. How many times have we not seen people destroy pastors' name in this country? Later how many times have we seen? But Ghanaians don't learn. Because yes, nipa when you say when you fake the da. Inti se will be back na nipa kono be ka sama fa nipa kono ho na ye ntro kra. It sounds say yen now we have a notion say nipa when you fake inti we still believe it because that's what we want to believe. Ade ayeye wo man we mu no he enye what enye ade ayeye wo man we mu no enye ba ko say eya wo ne de ye wa nanka wani nje wonim pa se wonye bibi wonim pa se wo bibi ewu na wonye bibi ne ye de shout se wo na waku na you just put yourself in the shoes and see how it will feel. We were in this country and na wo bi kwatena Hot FM ekwa kasa ye efa Reverend Osu Bempa say Reverend Osu Bempa eye occultic member one no and ekọ occult bomb enwumre omuko meeting on Reverend Osu Bempa neko. Weren't we in this country just about last 2 years? Was the last year? Was the day last year? Was the last 2 years? We're in this country. We saw what happened. And I'm a boy mo de mon country me sorry na me phone na ring Ghana for mo wa brocha mo frame me I'm on air me frame. We were in this country. We saw what happened. Abrante na wo kwaka ansa ansem ne fa Reverend Osu Bempa ho no. Eno no na later ba bonte beka say yentro. Tell me if I'm lying. Eno sa Abrante na eno ba bonte beka say yentro. But you see, and blast Abrante ne kan sa ansem ne fa Reverend Osu Bempa no, you had people believing it. The same Reverend Osu Bempa you were saying and our sofu being so and now we Reverend Osu Bempa eba bonte beka say Reverend Osu Bempa sebe efa neton for 2 good years. Reverend Osu Bempa ne da obema o say Reverend Osu Bempa ye gay sebe we neton for 2 good years we na and this person was close to Reverend Osu Bempa so Ghanaians believed it. Later we ba bonte beka say yentro nkofu bi ne bon ne pa enyo no pe kumchacha ye kan wono so yakafa ne ho saa nkofo kan na le tomo ababonte say oh yentro. And I'll keep on telling you guys ya wa ha say and a branch e bi so ba bonte be kan say fa Reverend Obofo ho say Reverend Obofo eyusu mba awodi echi worry ene nyama intestines no wo die say wona sorry just wo sie nentwe a branch ne kasa say later a branch no on the phone no wo patch all say we na me perfume keke and I me be say Reverend Obofo din. Are we not in this country? We've seen countless occasions anyebia abrante na wo hosti demon breaker justice kwekwanan wo show so na wo bi be kan sem fa Reverend Osu Bempa and other pastors so efre wo mo say wo mo occult for wo show so abrante ne be ka sansem no later abrante no be ka sansem wo show no so abrante ne be pa cho say ntro anyebia we hu be pen inti wo bi ti say demon breaker betena your show e won na two so no was say bedu ko bi ne nkrofo din say wo mo de omba ye say wo mo de omba ye say a wo we hu be pen na ka at least un poka say we bi na me hu ye embra na me wo hot FM abrante bi be kan ya later wo be twantro then san say you people have a plan to destroy the name of these people ninti no mo asheda e na mo tina say who nim ho hwe. And you are allowing demon breaker to destroy the names of these people. You can say, oh, your pastor now feel say, you can't be what I say, na and so when you oh, they are trunk cat abraya, one trunk cat umbrella. Oh, what now radios on our TV so I say, you know, no metron cat umbrella. At then, it is our my women. At then, meaning there, me ya. What's a demon breaker walker in so funny, the end in me, I'm just cool with it. But as I'm speaking today, we better say me boyfriend. Didn't tell me boyfriend say, Ghana has say ye pesadi and will be what ye pe will be the channel. We like that thing too much. We like that thing too much, and because I know someone who was close to Embra bedu ko binebana eyare ne sanyama nintino. If ye describe your trial, the state in which the man was in, Embra na nebano, will go through that thing na. One kasa obehu. Were we not in this country? Me in Karibusian 4 years, but we were in this country, and I was so for a year. Eastwood Anaba. Eastwood Anaba is one of the finest men in this country, but we all know what happened to him. He lost all of his children. Was training money? Now so ya can asofwa. Vomo ya kesia wagana hasa ya bo Eastwood Anaba din. Na so ube hu na obi akochina bebi ka ena Isudana ba no o yesofo nso wa hwere hu se eye Isudana ba no de obi ankasa o de ne mba ena akoji bibi anase wono wo yesofo ade na we hu se ne mba bewu obi ankasa by a specific type of people. Yan fa ne se manyame mensi ba yan fa ne se sebe obi nim ne baba ko bi sebe manyame mensi bibi ngoto obi nim baba ko be hu Ghana fo e betwe mo ano. So say the way we do things in this country, Yansheya, Ebufuo, what the idea way Shani Pakono, and you are believing in another Pakono Tinisio, a catch and Yankopon, and Yankopon, will be a war me din say me din will be Biasa, me banner, me banner, Wankasawa Genono, a Yameno, Yankopon, me Srema, Wenkon, so ever also. That's why I keep on telling you, don't just believe people who come online to tell you things. Don't just believe it. What they are saying, demon breaker, una walker, bedukobi, and an ebani who you know, and a walker, say, and we have videos and just show the video. It's simple and short. Wait there, and you can cast out back. Uba, I don't call the video now by betray. Say, bedukobi na, just a wall to nebano, ni funo, now what the crochet baby, the acquire retros. Na yen na yehu. Put the video ne ba na yen na yehu. Na yen na yehu. Now better not say and then you allow people to use your medium to spoil people's name just like that. Is that how the media works? And yet me I don't care media me say me can mo ba be di matem me enfa me ho mo pa mundi ma I don't care. Me shana say they be me kana mudi matem de me say I even turn off the comment section. Afa me try me ye video na me dey ato. And no na me call me baby. What is this? Same crofodi won my we musa aden. Nkofo abobra where people get to they be someone me catch them and they say hey oman penyi a wo Ghana ha say Mahama Ekufuado ebra wa bo. You get people destroying his like obi baba betin obi asebi pray their son. SS kra wan kwenwie no obetin abontin say Ekufuado kan sama for Ekufuado. Me wa nanka wo hwe ebra obi ti say Ekufuado kra bo a na Kenya politics kra nanka wo suro kra say obeben no nanka wo suro Mahama wo hwe bra wa bo a enya politics nanka wo suro say obeben no Bagana ha say Once you're in the limelight, people tend to forget a bra wabo. We yani edi watem kwa shirike ni bia no wodi watem ni yese wodi mpoto ase wo kra wunye nipa. Me wana wo ye de hye pan. Wo ye bia wabo bra kwa enim. We like that thing in this country too much. Yenjai enye enye. So by fin say there enye ye pesa de Ghana for ye pesa de no dodo. Ye say nkrofo din. And then you get people believe we are too gullible in this country. We are too gullible. Immediately someone comes online and a person uses a loud tonation and says every single thing, you get people believing that person. Immediately. Me say Ghana has say, na me catch madam for me. Ghana has say, o person go fuji wudi, o say will be din na o person go fuji wudi a. You don't need evidence. We hear evidence o. O de kwatena radio na TV so keke. Na ma wano nya den. Na kasa eno ano no ye beji wedi. Because indirectly na ya person ye gidi that because say na nipa ko na kosoro no. Wo ebia wono a wogine echi a woji asem na di no. Won do sro te say na nipa ko na du no. Nti wo de ye na wo de akwa ne ho. No de apampa ne ho say nipa ko yo fa ha say inta na otumi do sro sa and de me mfa ho no bebi a me wono kreye. Mediocrity, you are just doing that to celebrate your mediocre self. We like that thing. Yenjai. Yes, say obedient. Men can't say be nipa anya bonu. But yes, say obedient. The rate at which you believe without evidence, and then ya. So yes, say obedient. Let the person provide concrete evidence. Let it not just be based on nipakunin sem, the words of the person. Let it not just be based on that. That's all I'm saying. That is all I am saying. Yenja is hard and